Hi, my name is Vladimir, and in this tutorial I will show you how to use your Xbox controller as a mouse on GeForce Now. To begin, you'll need to have Steam installed, and we need to add GeForce Now as a non-Steam game to the library on Steam. To do this, click on Games, add a non-Steam game to my library, select it if it's already in the list, or click on Browse if it's not, find the GeForce Now app and open it. Click on Add Selected Programs to add GeForce Now to Steam. Next, click on GeForce Now and click on the controller icon on the right. Click on Enable Steam Input if it's not already enabled and click on Gamepad Layout to change it. Here, you can either create your own custom layout or just search for the template Get Vladimir Xbox that I've already shared. Select the Get Vladimir Xbox to Mouse and Gamepad layout and click on the bottom right to apply the layout. Click on Back to go back, and click on Play to launch the GeForce Now app from within Steam. Now you can control the mouse pointer with the right analog stick on the Xbox controller. You can click with the right trigger and right-click with the left trigger. To toggle between mouse and gamepad mode, press the Share button. You will get a Steam notification each time the mode switches to mouse or to gamepad mode to let you know which one is currently active. You can also turn this notification off. The same procedure works on Linux, macOS, and Windows. That's it. So you can now use your Xbox controller as a mouse on GeForce Now and play games that require it.